that is done, they should be able to carry out the survey and then demolish everything that you see here. Let us know what it will be. Look like the legislation. Then take over the place and then taking the government. The problem we're having. Can imagine only two people will just come to the Georgia and then they'll say, oh, well, we have their own land there. There was not one document, not one document. And we're not going to allow that. We will allow that. So everything now, I'll over to you.
The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, NaijaNews Wike, has ordered the demolition of all illegal buildings in the Sabon community along the airport road. Wike, accompanied by heads of security agencies in the FCT on Tuesday, October 22nd, paid an unannounced visit to the community. According to a statement signed by Assistant Director, Press, Rabi Musa Umar, and mailed to the ICIR after the visit. The minister said buildings without proper documents from the FCT administration should be pulled down. Describing the building owners as land grabbers, Wike noted that the structures were built without the approval of the Development Control Department and in contravention of the land use provision of the FCT. Recall that the minister asked the residents not to build any structures in the area, whether temporary or permanent, until the government had decided on a course of action, adding that some other shanties across the country will be demolished and converted into new bus terminals for orderliness. As far as this road is concerned, we have told them nobody is going to build anything, whether temporary or permanent. We will not allow them until the government has made a final decision on what to do on this piece of land. Wike, however, said the administration was only interested in protecting lives and properties in the FCT and ensuring that Abuja was one of the best cities in the world. Recall that the Real Estate Developer Association of Nigeria has called on the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, NaijaNews Wike, to clear his name and urgently set up a panel of inquiry into the alleged illegal demolitions in Sabon Abuja. In a statement, the association raised concerns about the recent allegations from various quarters against the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. It stated, the Real Estate Developer Association of Nigeria is deeply concerned about recent allegations from various quarters against the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, NaijaNews Wike, regarding the authorization of demolitions worth over 200 billion naira in Sabon Abuja, allegedly without due process. Despite the appeal, statements and addresses from building associations, residents, and the real estate developer, Wike said his administration would not be deterred by blackmail from civil society organizations and activists calling for a cessation of demolition exercises in the city. The Punch reports that some of the settlers, joined by human rights lawyer Deji Adeyanju and controversial social media critic Vincent Martins Otse, popularly known as Very Dark Man, on Friday protested the demolition carried out by the Department of Development Control, calling for the intervention of President Bola Tinubu. Wike vowed he would not yield to pressure to stop demolition of shanties that pose security threats to the residents of the territory. He made the vow while reacting to protests by occupant Ruga, an illegal settlement at Wuse behind finance quarters, harboring more than 10,000 illegal occupants that was demolished on November 5, 2024 by a ministerial task force named Operation Sweep that had been demolishing illegal settlements across the city. The occupants during the protest called for the minister's sack for demolishing their illegal settlements, claiming it was built by their forefather. But speaking on Sunday evening, when he inspected demolished shanties in Ruga, Wike said no amount of intimidation, blackmail, or abuses by illegal occupants or CSO would deter the government from doing its job. He expressed worry that the area had been demolished 22 times, and yet the illegal occupants have refused to leave. Be assured that we will continue with the demolition of shanties that pose a security threat to FCT, Abuja, Wike said. We'll continue to keep a close eye to this story. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV and don't forget to drop your comments below.